Nyashong! Hello, breathing friends. Welcome to the Holistic Culture and Education Wellness Center of the Fresno Center's YouTube channel. It's the Breathing with Bao series here. And here our goal is to breathe mindfully together as a community. So mindfully means being present with our breath and breathing quality, deep, long breaths. So for today, I have something cool in mind for us. All the series here on the Breathing with Bao, I try to make it very fun and engaging. And so this one is going to be fun. And it's breathing and drinking tea. And so oftentimes I tend to kind of just rush through my tea. But if I breathe throughout my sipping tea moments, I find it more enjoyable. So for the tea bag, I'm using yogi, and it's ginger. And it's so cool because the quote that I got here reads, because the little tabs here that comes with the tea bag, they come with cute quotes. So this one says, "Your breath fills you with energy anywhere and anytime you need it." And I just thought, wow, that's crazy, because it's breathing with Bao, and it's the quote's referring to our breath. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause here and grab your tea, and we'll go ahead and breathe together with our tea. So let's go ahead and get started. I tend to like to hold my tea with both hands, and just be cautious, be mindful of your posture here, sitting here on the ground, using a pillow to prompt to my seat. You could use a chair and be at your dinner table, but let's go ahead and get started with our tea. So the tea in your hand, posture nice and supported. Let's go ahead and bring our breath to a natural rhythm, breathing in and out through the nose, in and out through the belly. Just winding here, de-stressing, rely on your breath here to guide you through this practice. Breathing in and out. Inhale, I know I am breathing in. Exhale, I know I am breathing out. Big, long, deep, quality breaths here. Inhale, exhale, and let's go ahead and take a sip of our tea. Allow it to sit on your tongue, your taste palates, and just take a moment to just be present with our tea and our breaths. Big breath in here, big breath out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Let's take another sip of our tea. Yummy. Big breath in here. Fill the belly with air. And exhale. Let's go ahead and inhale this time and smell our tea. Exhale. I could really smell the ginger aroma of the tea. Inhale. Exhale. And I could feel the warmness of the mug, allowing my senses to be present here with my breath. And right here, this is touch. So I'm allowing the warmness of the mug to be here in the present moment with me. Breathing here at your own pace. And when you're ready, go ahead and take another sip of your tea. Again, allowing the tea to sit on your tongue and the taste palates, being mindful of that, and then slowly allowing the tea, allowing yourself to swallow the tea, and allowing this moment to be very sacred and very patient. Breathing here, present, here in the moment. Just finding gratitude here for the tea, for your breath, breathing in and out through the nose and through your belly. Breathing in, I know I am breathing in. Breathing out, I know I am breathing out. Let's go ahead and take another sip of the tea. Delicious. I made some edamame too for my snack. So these can be found in the frozen section at your local grocery store, and it only takes a couple minutes on the boiler in a pot, and I toss some salt over it just slightly, and they're so delicious to go, and it pairs well with the tea. So again, when it comes to snacking, mindfully, you do it mindfully. So just throughout your day, as you're drinking your favorite tea or snacking your favorite snack, just remember to take a moment in gratitude and with your breath, spending time being fully present of what you're doing, and it just makes the moment more enjoyable. So that's today's breathing with bow activity. I hope you find it helpful and engaging for your daily mindfulness practice. And I just want to thank you all for joining me here today. And I will see you at the next Breathing with Bow video. Thank you. Namaste.